Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, officer. I'd like to report a stolen mobile phone.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did it happen?
It happened about an hour ago, while I was on the bus.
Could you describe your phone, please?
Certainly. It's a black iPhone 15 with a blue protective case.
Do you know the phone's MEI number?
Yes. I have it saved in my email. I can show it to you.
That would be very helpful. Where do you think your phone was stolen?
I think someone took it while I was standing on a crowded bus. When I got off, I realized it was missing.
Did you notice anyone acting suspiciously?
No, everything happened so quickly.
I understand. We'll include that information in the report. I'll prepare a police report for your stolen phone. Please check the details carefully.
Everything looks correct. Where should I sign?
Please sign here. We'll also give you a copy of the report.
Thank you. Will this report help me file an insurance claim?
Yes, many insurance companies require...
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes. You should contact your mobile service provider immediately.
I'll do that right away. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope we can recover your phone soon.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.